STE and SHK maintenance. If the flow of your jet has been reduced, it is likely that the cause is dirt in the filter, or that you have impurities in the bypass. We are going to see how to remove the filter to change or clean it, and how to check the state of the bypass. Before performing any maintenance operation, you must disconnect the power supply to the dispenser. Through the front of the spout you can access the filter cover. Take the lid off and you will access the filter. The filter is metallic. You can clean it by blowing air under pressure. Check that there are no impurities inside the pump. Check the good condition and position of the gasket before reassembling the cover. Tighten the bolts crosswise to about 15 newtons per meter. Let's check the bypass valve. Through the back of the spout you will access the bypass valve and the check valve. To adjust the pressure of the pump, remove the cap and with a screwdriver regulate the pressure. Counterclockwise you lower the pressure, clockwise you raise the pressure. We leave it at 1.8 bar pressure in the 80-liter minute pumps and 2.3 bar in the 110 pump. We will remove the bypass. If there is any impurity, it causes the equipment not to suck and not be able to prime. Unscrew cross, there is a spring that exerts pressure towards the lid. Impurities can be on the valve seat or inside the body. Clean and reassemble. And this is how to regulate and check your pump bypass. Retention valve. If at startup you find that your nozzle is primed, but no liquid comes out of the gun, it is possible that the check valve has been stuck. Remove the cap, move the valve, and mount again. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you and we look forward to your feedback for continuous improvement.